Hello student, this is our chapter number 3, input and output devices. Now first of all, what is input and output? Now we know that computer is electronic device and it works on the electricity. Now for the work, computer requires some data, some input. To solve the given task, computer needs to interact with user and computer requires data and instruction. So to enter that data and instruction, when we enter something into the computer, either data or instruction, this instruction or data is considered as input, and the devices we use for the input purpose, the devices is known as input device. Now after input, computer process on that data, and after processing this results needs to display on some devices. Now that result is known as output, and for the output purpose the devices used by the computer is known as output devices. Now the device that allows input and output is known as output input device or peripherals. They are used for the communication between user and system means our computer system. Now input device that provides input to the computer, and most common input device is keyboard and mouse. When we press the keyboard key, every movement or click, when we click something on the mouse, this every movement was seen on our monitor. And when we press any key, that key is for the input for the monitor, and same when we press any buttons on the mouse, that movement of that mouse become input for the computer system. Now here is some various devices, various input devices: keyboard, point and draw device, scanning device, electronic card based devices, speech recognition device, and vision based device. Now what is keyboard? So keyboard is most popular and commonly used input device. Now this keyboard allows to enter alphabet, digits and symbol into the computer. Here one example of keyboard. So F1 to F12, this is our functions key. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 0, this is our digit key. Then cursor key, up, down, left and right. Numeric keypad, which consists of numbers. Then shift, control, caps lock, tabs. They are known as some system key. Backspace to move the cursor one position. Backspace bar, which is used to give space between the words or letters. Then punctuation symbols, alphabet. Asterisk sign, plus, minus, they are known as punctuation symbols. Then escape to cancel or abort any operation. So keyboard consists of this type of key, and generally keyboard has more than 100 key. Next is point and draw device. Now point and draw device. Now keyboard is specially used for typing text. It is text typing based technology. Now instead of typing, if I want to directly, some item can be selected from the computer screen. For example, if I want to print, if I want to close something, if I want to open any file, if I want to select any file, so that can be done with help of mouse. And this type of interface is called graphical user interface, GUI. Not only to select but also drawing of line, curve, shape, it is also possible with this type of devices. And other examples are joystick, light pen, touchpad or any trackball or touch screen. Now next is mouse. What is mouse? It is input device which is pointing based device. It works on the pointer. Mouse is a small device which used to point a particular place on the screen, and it performs one or more operation. Here we have one example of mouse. Now how the mouse work? So left button is used to select any item, and right button which is used to select or which is used to some open or trigger any action. Double click is used to start, open or trigger any action, and right click, it is some always display some set of commands. When we right click on the mouse, so it opens, cut, copy, paste, okay, this type of command. Drag and drop, it allows you to select and move any item from one location to another location. When we select and drag, okay, and we want to place any item at place, just drop it. Now scroll, so this is scrolling, okay. Many applications provide scroll bar on right side of the screen if the page length is more than monitor screen length. So we just scrolling that page. Instead of keyboard have 4 arrow key, up and down. If you don't want to use up and down arrow key, so you can use scroll key of mouse. Next is joystick, okay. This is the example of joystick, which is vertical stick which moves the graphic cursor in the direction of the stick when the stick is moved. जहाँ पे भी आप स्टिक को मूव करेंगे उस डायरेक्शन में इसकी जो भी ग्राफिकल यूज़र मतलब कर्सर है वो आपका मूव होता है. इट हैज़ बटन ऑन द टॉप दैट इज़ यूज टू सेलेक्ट ऑप्शन pointed by the cursor, and it is input device which primarily used for the video games, training simulators or any controlling robot. Next one is scanning device. Scanner. Scanning means a look, okay, at the input and enters the collected data onto the monitor. It means it is used to convert your hard copy into soft copy. There is no need to enter anything from the keyboard, okay, or anything need to select from the keyboard. Just scan command. It will scan your data entry, okay, and gives your result onto the monitor. It saves your time and reduce also typing error. Photo, map, high quality document can be directly scanned to the computer, and here is one example of scanner which scan your data and convert it into a digital form. This image is sent to the other computer, then copied and printed, okay. Now next is barcode scanner, okay. When we go in any shop, okay, we might seen a scanner in shopkeeper's hand which reads barcode in the shop. This type of scanner is also known as handheld scanner. Why handheld? Because it can be carried out in our hand. Okay, this is the example of image of barcode scanner. Now this barcode is made up from the parallel string of different thickness, and there is a standard coding system which is known as UPC, Universal Product Code. Now scanner reads the barcode printed in UPC format and convert into appropriate digital or decimal value. Some scanner have facility to recognize character from the image, and that is from the scan image of character. Computer can identify the character, and this is done by matching image of scan character with a stored image of that character. Now this facility document image can be converted into document, and which can be further modified. If you want to modify any image, so you can scan that image, convert into a digital form, and you can edit that photo onto the computer. Now this type of scanner is also known as optical character reader. Some scanner identify marks done by the special type of pen or pencil, and this type of scanner is known as optical mark reader. Now next one is magnetic ink character recognition, MICR. It is the technology that prevalent in banking industry, used for the faster processing of check. This technology allows reading of information such as account number from a printed document. Especially it is used for the passbook. MICR code can be easily read and understood by human, while barcode through easily read cannot be easily understood by the human. So here the content is written using magnetic ink, which is prepared from the iron oxide. Now next is electronic card reader. It reads a content from the small plastic card called electronic card, and this data is read from the card and transferred to the computer, bank ATM, automated teller machine. Cards and credit cards are small plastic cards that contain information about the card holder, and this information about the current transaction is added from the card devices. Now next is speech and vision devices. Now next is speech and vision devices. Now beside the popular input device, speech and vision, okay, it is also most popular device. Now speech input, okay, it is used for the long dictation of your text corresponding as your voice, okay. Instead of entering any command by typing, selecting or scanning, just directly voice command is given, okay. So when you give some voice command, it will work on that voice command. Best example of Google input typing or Google voice typing, okay, which type on the basis of your voice. Then Siri, okay, it also works on your voice. Vision input, it is used for the robot performing any risky task like driving plane or any performing surgery, okay. Such input mechanism is very useful for people who differently able and generally find difficulty in operating typical computer system. Camera is also input devices, okay, it captures the image, so this is also a input devices. Then QR code, okay, or reading any barcode, okay, facial recognition, they are the vision devices. Now these are the input device, okay. Now next is output device. Now computer perform operation on the input, and this process input or this process data needs to display for the user. So its result must be provided to its user, and the devices that provide output to the user is called output device. Here are some examples of output device: monitor, printer, projector, plotter, and voice response. Now monitor. So this is most common output device. Output is presented on computer screen, which is look like the television, but monitor have high resolution as compared to television. This output is just for the viewing purpose, and your hard copy cannot be taken. Hard copy means when we print any soft copy or document that is reside inside the computer and we print that copy onto the paper, then paper copy is known as hard copy. So hard copy, it is related with the printer, and soft copy, it is related with the monitor. So the information that is reside into the computer and we seen that on the monitor, that is known as soft copy output. Now cathode ray tube monitor and flat monitor, this is used to display some information. Here have two examples. Now first one is CRT monitor and second one is LED monitor. Now LED is type of flat monitor. Nowadays LED monitor is most popular because they are thinner in the size and also lighter in the weight, and they have high resolution quality as compared to CRT. Now flat monitor technology of liquid crystal display and light emitting diode. Now next is printer. Now printer, okay, it provides the hard copy, okay, it means your information on the paper. There are varieties of printer that print content in the different way. Here is example of laser printer. Some printer print content character by character, that is known as character printer or dot matrix printer. The dot matrix printers are cheaper and slow. Some prints line by line, okay, they are known as line printer. And another category is either by spraying this small drop of ink, that is known as inkjet printer, and inkjet printers are also slower but costlier as compared to dot matrix. And some printers available that create the image of wall page and print that full page, okay, at a time, that is using the laser technology, and this type of printer is known as laser printer. Now this printer is faster printer and costlier in compared to other printer. Okay, this is the example of laser printer. So dot matrix printer which print character by character, then line printer they print full line, then inkjet printer they use ink to print something, and laser printer, they create the image of wall page and print using the laser technology. Okay, next is projector. Now this is the example of projector. Now, okay, you have seen in your class, okay, teacher projecting teaching material on wall of your classroom. Okay, output of this project is on the bigger flat surface like wall or any screen or any whiteboard with help of output device called the projector. Teaching material with text, image, sound, graph, animation can be prepared and projected on surface for the better viewing. So these projectors are very useful for the learning, demonstrating and presenting some content. Okay, next one is voice response. Now stored voice and converted voice can be presented to user who do not want to see or read output on the monitor, projector or printer. Video game, automatic answering machine, alarms, signals, they are the application they need voice output. Okay, so this is your output device. This chapter contain your input, various input and output devices, and how the devices work. Now exercise first is, which of the following refers to the data and instruction that are given to the computer? Data and instruction they given to the computer means input. Which of the following is an other name for the input output device? So peripherals. Keyboard is considered as a input device. Now keyboard works on the text entry concept, not point and draw, visual or virtual. It is text entry concept. A mouse can also be used as a point input device. Okay, which of the following refers to the mouse? So this is a point and draw device. Which of the following standard coding system which used for the product price and other information related to product? So universal product code. Which of the following is a process of recognizing character written with a special ink? Magnetic ink character recognition. Which of the following technology do flat monitor use? So CRT, that is not flat monitor. LCD is also flat monitor. LED is also flat monitor. So both B and C. Okay, now this exercise, okay, 1 to 9 MCQ you have to write in your computer notebook.